My brother, I know fi calculate, the calculus is plenty go. I know fi reason how many people offend me go. Inside the line, inside the carcass.
Hi guys, welcome back to another interesting collections from the stable of Wendy Styles. Alright, if this is your first time discovering this beautiful channel, what we do here is to inspire beautiful ladies to embrace their short natural hair like the ones you're seeing on the screen right now. Alright, so today we've deep researched for different beautiful collections that is going to make you stand out from the crowd. If what we do is what you like, all you need to do is just to hit the subscribe button at the bottom of the screen, and then turn on the little bell notification and like this video, share the video, and drop your comment below if you have any question that you want to ask. Anyways, back to the video. The thing is this, okay, one thing about short hair that I love so much is that in all of these collections like the ones you are seeing right now, all right, they bring out your natural beauty. All right, there's nothing artificial about it. It's just about the fact that some of the hair are dyed different colors, and these women are looking very impeccable. They look so beautiful. Look at this one. She looks absolutely stunning. These are very inspiring short hairstyles, if you ask me. And I just noticed something else here. Short hair goes better with bigger earring. Trust me, guys. Short hair goes better with bigger earring. See how big this earring is with this particular one, and she's low, really low. All right, so low maintenance hair like the ones we are bringing to you actually makes you to look a lot classier than when you decide to go with wigs, weave-on, and braids. All right, I'm not in any way castigating those who love to rock braid, but I'm telling you, this is a different lane entirely. Short hair has its own world, and sisters who love to go natural already know that short hair shows how confident, how bold, how commanding, how bossy, how much of an achiever you are as a short hair rocker. Alright, don't let me talk much, guys. I just like you guys to savor more of the styles that we have for you today. Alright, we'll be bringing more styles like this to you in the forthcoming videos, so keep it locked to this channel. Don't go anywhere because short hair lives here. At this juncture, let's just say cha-cha, guys. Bye.
I know fear is in me, go ahead and me, my brother, I know fi calculate, the calculus is plenty go. I know fi reason how many people offend me go. Inside the line, inside the carcass, open my eyes, Lord, make I see you, yeah. Make a face my front, make a banjim no use me test wrong. Make poto no stain my cloth. I'm advantage every time I ball, cause now only Jah where they set my cause. They my own thing aside on my run. Me I know they for their tag along, yeah. I know fear is in me, go by me, I know fear is in me, go ahead and me, my brother, I know fi calculate, the calculus is plenty go. I know fi reason how many people offend me go. Inside the line, inside the carcass, open my eyes, Lord, make I see you, yeah. Make a face my front, make a banjim no use me test wrong. Make poto no stain my cloth. I'm advantage every time I ball, cause now only Jah where they set my cause. They my own thing aside on my run. Me I know they for their tag along, yeah. I know fear is in me, go by me, I know fear is in me, go ahead and me, my brother, I no fit calculate, the calculus is plenty go. I no fit reason how many people offend me go. Inside the limelight, inside the carcass, open my eyes, Lord, make I see you, yeah. Make I face my front, make a banjem no use me test run. Make poto no stain my clothes, home advantage every time I ball. Cause now only Jah where they set my cause. They my own thing as I run my run. Me I know they for their tag along, yeah, oh. I no fear is in me go by me, oh. I no fear is in me go headache me, oh. My brother, I no fit calculate, the calculus is plenty go. I no fit reason how many people offend me go. Inside the limelight, inside the carcass, open my eyes, Lord, make I see you, yeah. Make I face my front, make a banjem no use me test run. Make poto no stain my clothes, home advantage every time I ball. Cause now only Jah where they set my cause. They my own thing as I run my run. Me I know they for their tag along, yeah, oh. I no fear is in me go by me, oh. I no fear is in me go headache me, oh. My brother, I no fit calculate, the calculus is plenty go. I no fit reason how many people offend me go. Inside the limelight, inside the carcass, open my eyes, Lord, make I see you, yeah. Make I face my front, make a banjem no use me test run. Make poto no stain my clothes, home advantage every time I ball. Cause now only Jah where they set my cause. They my own thing as I run my run. Me I know they for their tag along, yeah, oh. I no fear is in me go by me, oh. I no fear is in me go headache me, oh. My brother, I no fit calculate, the calculus is plenty go. I no fit reason how many people offend me go. Inside the limelight, inside the carcass, open my eyes, Lord, make I see you, yeah. Make I face my front, make a